Duluth from Sterling Equipment and Repair in Cottonwood, Minnesota. Today we're doing a walk around of the MLT 960 Manitou. MLT standing for Manitou Loader Telescopic. This is a ground engaging telehandler. It is meant to scoop and dig. That's what it's built for, predominantly agricultural purposes. This machine has 13,200 pounds of lift capacity, 141 horsepower, John Deere engine, 394 foot-pounds of torque, 29 foot 6 inches of lift height to the bottom of the carriage, 17 foot 5 inches of forward reach. Very heavy machine, here over 25,000 pounds, rated for over 22,000 foot-pounds of torque, tractive force for either pulling trailers or pushing. So very stout machine, built with a 5/8 plate steel frame for the boom. This is not a box frame tube boom, single stage. This is actually two pieces of 5/8 plate steel bent in the shape of a C with a weld down the side. So much stronger boom than what you'll see on a pick and place or a tool carrier telehandler. This machine is in a class of its own. Comes with hydraulics at the boom tip. Features like power attach for the bucket, ride control for the boom, air conditioning for the cab. These are all features that you don't often see in other telehandlers, but are found commonly in the MLT 960. Entrance to the cab on these machines is nice. These machines compete directly with wheel loaders and large front end tractor loaders. So you can see two-step entrance to the cab, very nice, wide, open cab door, simple entrance into the cab. These machines also come with power electric windows, which is nice. The window goes down into the door. It's protected when it's down. It doesn't swing open. Also, you can have the window just open a little ways and let some fresh air in the cab without either opening or closing the window. When you get in the cab of the 960, you're going to find some very nice features. The same JSM as you find in all of the Manitou MLT telehandlers. Forward, neutral, reverse, roller switch for your power detach and to run your hydraulic functions on your boom tip, boom extend, retract, also your joystick that does your boom bucket tilting and dumping and raising and lowering. So you'll never take your hand off the steering wheel. You'll always maintain steering control. This hand will do all of the work. With the CVT, the continuous variably established transmission, we have two modes. We have a road mode, which takes us up to 25 miles per hour road speed, and a handling mode that's used when we're digging and scooping. And that CVT transmission will literally take care of itself. You can work and move at any speed that you would like, and that transmission is going to continually do whatever needs to be done to keep maximum tractive force and keep our fuel consumption in check. Coming around the back of the machine, we see some nice wide fenders. They're plastic fenders, so they're flexible. If we bump into something, they're not going to break. All four tires have fenders on them. These machines stay nice and clean because of that. This machine, because of the 13,200 pound lift capacity, has large bumper counterweights on the back of the machine, as well as a drawbar. This is our drawbar. We're rated at 22,400 and some change foot-pounds of drawbar tow. So that equates to pulling wagons to the field for hay bales, whatever you might do. It's also our tractive force for pushing, scooping, and digging. It just makes for an awesome machine for pulling and digging with that transmission. Electrical outlet for pulling trailers. We have our turn signals, warning lights, flashers, and everything there. Coming around the right-hand side, you see a nice, large engine cover with side panel that you can open up for service and maintaining the machine. This is our John Deere 141 horsepower engine, Tier 4. Fuel filters are right here. Engine oil filters right here. Engine air filter with the agricultural aspirated pre-cleaner on the air filter to keep it clean. It's right here. Coolant levels right here on top. Engine fill is conveniently located for engine oil fill. Cooling system with a screen that can be taken out and cleaned. Helps keep the radiator clean. Single layer cooling system. So none of our coolers are stacked. That debris can get wedged in between them and be difficult to maintain or clean. Everything is a single layer with our trap door opening to the bottom, so for washing the machine or flushing debris out, the debris falls right out the bottom. When we're done, simply close our trap door and that's secured. They do come with an oil drain hose that when you attach onto the oil pan, opens the valve for the draining of the oil. The hose makes it so that the oil goes right out into your drain pan the way you would like. We are running a hydraulic reversing engine fan. So this fan can be set to run continuously in one mode, or it can be set to alternate to reverse the flow of air through our cooling system. It's designed for dirty conditions where you have a lot of chaff and debris. It will keep your cooling system and all of your air fins clean by reversing that airflow through the radiator. That brings us full circle back around to the other side on our 960. This is the culmination of nearly 30 years of telescopic handler production for Manitou. Manitou is the largest manufacturer in the world of rough terrain, extendable forklift machines. Our parts depot is in Belvedere, Illinois, so we get our parts next day if need be, otherwise on a standard order on 2 days, so that's pretty easy to come by. The headquarters for Manitou Americas is in West Bend, Wisconsin. So a very good, solid company. It's been around for many, many years. They are the top of the line. This telehandler here, there really is nothing else that competes with this machine. This is the top of the line.